Good morning everyone. Ako gali si Doana Grace Vargas Pamilyo, High Value Coordinator from Municipal Agriculture Office. Kami nagpapasalamat sa opisina sa pag-imbitar sa amon sang Viveneches. Subong nga aga, maghahambal ako about backyard gardening of vegetables. As the whole nation continues to fight against coronavirus, ensuring food availability for every Filipino families is one of the top priority to be secured. The Department of Agriculture has been looking into ways to ensure the food production in the country continues, so they came up to encourage every household to engage backyard gardening. Backyard gardening will help to ensure that every families will have their own source of food, especially now that we are still battling against coronavirus. Backyard gardening helps you to eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. You may be able to decide what kind of fertilizers and pesticides you may apply. You can produce organically grown products. Benefits of backyard gardening: it improves your health. It's because kita nagatanom sa aton nga vegetables, it's free from chemicals. It saves money on groceries. No need na kita mag-purchase ng vegetables sa market. Get outdoor exercise, gardening, weeding, example na isang exercise naton. No need na kita mag-jogging. Pwede na kita maka-exercise through that. Our gardening is a natural stress reliever. May ara man mga components nga dapat naton isaalang for gardening. Ang una dira ang seed or variety selection. May ara nga traditional na binhi ang open pollinated varieties or the OPV at kag ang hybrid varieties. Advantage of hybrid varieties: it is extremely uniform. Sa insect pest, adapt immediately in changes in variety requirements. Disadvantage: hindi na siya naton pwede itanom for the next generation. Hybrid seeds usually expensive na siya. Methods of planting: usually transplanted is tomato, eggplant, pepper, lettuce, pichay. Usually direct seeded naman ang squash, ang kalabasa naton, cucumber, soybean, kaju's, garden pea, watermelon. Ang should be direct seeded ang radish and carrots. Mayaraman nga planting duration for different varieties of vegetables. Sa crucifers, cauliflowers, 3 days of sowing and after 15 to 25 days for transplanting. Broccoli is the same, 3 days of sowing, 25 to 30 days transplanting. Pichay, the same for 3 days ang sowing. After 12 to 15 days, pwede na siya i-transplant. Cabbage is the same, 3 days, and after 15 days, transplanting. The same for lettuce, 15 to 18 days, ready for transplant. Solanaceous plant, example is ang eggplant, 9 days of sowing, pricking for 5 days, and 25 to 28 days transplanting. Kamatis, 9 days of sowing, 21 to 25 days transplanting. Bell pepper and hot pepper is the same, 9 days of sowing and 25 to 28 days pwede na siya i-transplant. Cucurbits, example is watermelon, 4 days of sowing, after 8 to 10 days pwede na siya i-transplant. The same man sa melon, cucumber, ampalaya, kag kalabasa. Next is ang crop requirements sa mga vegetables naton. First dira ang temperature requirements. Temperature range between 7 to 13 degrees Celsius is for cabbage, cauliflower, potato, spinach, lettuce, onion. Next is ang moderately high temperature is 13 to 18 degrees Celsius for carrot, onion, labanos. 18 to 30 is for high temperatures ang needs ang cucurbits, ang ampalaya naton, kalabasa, ang mung bean, munggo, okra, ginger, spinach, cowpea, kag ang mais. For light requirements, light or sunlight is a major requirements ang photosynthesis naton is high high level ang high for corn, cucurbits, ang mga kalabasa, pichay, eggplant, legumes. Next is medium, light level for asparagus, carrot, lettuce, spinach. Low to total darkness para sa ginger, bamboo shoot or ang tambo, kag ang mga bean sprout natin. Plants grown continuously under low light intensity or shade become tall, thin, and light green in color. Next is ang water requirement is the most important environmental input. Hindi siya mabuhi ang atong tanom kung kulang sa tubig. Usually, kung mapatay, na siya dayon kung wala sa tubig. Its requirements varies with growth stages, weather, and soil condition. Sensitivity to flooding in vegetables, especially para sa brassicas, yung mga pichay naton, hindi siya naton pagpatamaan sa damo sa tubig or hindi siya naton i-flooding. Ang squash, radish is usually is underground, hindi siya dapat sa damo nga tubig. Spinach, melon, better gourd or ang ampalaya. Moderately sensitive para naman sa cucumber, mga eggplant naton, garlic, and onion. Moderately tolerant naman ang cowpea, sponge gourd, sweet potato, kag ang kangkong. May araman kalendaryo sa pagtatanim ng gulay from January to December kung ano ang mga utanon nga mas nami nga itanom naton during that month. For January is ang ampalaya, pwede gid siya naton itanom. Usually ampalaya is for the whole year, pwede naton siya itanom. First month ang kamote, okra, patula. February, kamote, munggo. Ampalaya is also ampalaya, kamote, talong. April, ampalaya, kamote, okra. May, ampalaya, mga beans, okra, sibuyas, bawang, munggo. Sa June, ampalaya is gihapon ang ampalaya, pwede natin siya itanom. Beans, okra, munggo, patola. July, ampalaya, kamuti, talong, loya. August, ampalaya gihapon, kamuti, talong, luya. Next is September, gihapon ang ampalaya, kamuti, sayuti, patola, pichay. October, ampalaya, kamuti, sayuti, talong, opo. November, ampalaya, kamuti, sayuti, patola, pitsay, sili, kamatis, opo. Last is December, ampalaya, kamuti, sayuti, talong, patola, pitsay, kag sitaw. May araman types of backyard or home garden. First, there ang in-ground garden bed or the raised bed. Next, the raised bed garden. Last is the container garden. In-ground garden bed. An in-ground garden is of 500 square feet is an ideal size which provides a variety of vegetables for a family of 4 up to 8 months of the year with enough extra to share with neighbors. Usually, ini siya ginagamit kung mas nami ang aton nga duta, nunid na kita hibo sang bed or some because nga naghapon ang nutrients sa duta. I-cultivate na lang siya or araduhon naton kung lapad ang area naton, then pwede siya naton natamnan. Mas larger ini ang space, lower ang water requirements. Planting distance for radish, spacing between rows and hills. Radish for 30 to by 10 cm. Cabbage for 40 to 50 by 35 to 50 cm. Tomato 100 to 125 by 50 to 75 cm. Eggplant 100 to 125 by 50 to 100 cm. Sitaw 50 by 10 cm. Mung bean 50 by 5 cm. Next is ang raised bed garden. Mayroon na siya flat naton, flat na kita sini, pwede kita makagamit through may wooden or semento. This type of garden is ideal for slightly larger space and can be great alternative to direct-to-ground planting, especially if the soil conditions are not ideal. Sa type of garden nga ini, raised bed garden, ang weed population is decreases. Last is a container gardening. Container gardening is kung limited aton nga space, pwede kita mga container gardening, pwede natin siya ihang sa aton mga pader, sa bintana naton. Need ta lang sini ang container, mga recyclable naton nga container, compost abi, soil plus ang aton nga garden soil. Composting lang, i-compost, may step of container gardening is first composting. Separate natin ang mga recyclable, kag ang pwede natin magamit as compost. So kung ano man gihapon ang aton nga gamiton nga types ng garden, siguraduhan lang natin nga may ara kitang prepare na natin ang mga kinalano natin. Especially dapat may ara kita seeds, may ara kita area, container gardening man. Kag sigurado naton dapat naton mag-engage sa gardening sa aton kada panimalay or kung sa eskwelahan man para masigurado naton nga may supply kita sa aton nga pagkaon. Di ta mabalaan subong nga panahon kay ang tungod sini nga mga virus or ang coronavirus naton nga atubang subong. Siguraduhon naton nga may ara kita supply sang pagkaon sa aton nga panimalay. Especially kung ang mga vegetables, hindi na kita dapat kung hindi na kita makagawa sa aton nga balay, dapat ara sa aton nga backyard, may ara na kita mga utanon nga dapat i-harvest naton kag i-consume naton. Kag pwede man naton siya i-share sa aton nga mga kapitbahay. Hanggang may alam kita kasabihan nga always naton nga remember kapag may tinanim, may anihin kag saliwat, madamo gyud nga salamat.